Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. I'm going over our trades today. I always start off with this was a frustrating day because I'm trying to trade to perfection, and we don't always do that. But we still had a profitable day, and we had made over $1,000 this week. Let's go over our trades one by one. On the Russell, right here, we had a break, retracement, move down 8 ticks. And we just could not get anything as the Russell just pushed straight down and then rose on a falling 50. So we had one trade on 8 range Russell for 8 ticks. Oops, I am sorry. We had a break even short. What happened was it went 3 or 4 ticks in our favor. I moved the stop to break even. It came back, hit our stop at break even, and then of course it went down 9 ticks. So it wouldn't have been a second target, but it would have been a nice winner that just by being ultra cautious turned into a break-even trade. And I think that's it on the Russell. Now, I'm sorry, that was crude. Geez, I apologize here. This was crude oil. And you can see this nice trade. It was a little risky because the retracement was not where I wanted it to be. We wanted to take this trade right off the modified 15. There's a little bit of a hanging entry. And it gave us some heat and then came down. Once it went in our favor 2 or 3 ticks because we had taken so much heat. I moved to break even, and that's what took us out of the trade. This was a break of the 50 on a falling 50. Here was a retracement. But again, the 50 was red, just trying to be ultra conservative. Hanging entry here, the middle of nowhere. That was my frustration with crude today. Every single entry, no matter how risky it seemed, just seemed to go. So we had that 1 8-tick winner, and we had a break-even trade. Now the Russell on 8 range. We had the move up, the retracement, bam, collapsed completely on us, and we lost 10 ticks on the trade. No opportunity to take this out early. It just came right back, really like a boomerang, for no rhyme or reason. This was a bit of a hanging candle, but the C's were working, and it might have been a little bit too early into the open, only 3 minutes into the Russell Open, but got the reversal. Now this was a missed entry. I had locked the Right Line Superdome platform. This was a gimme to target trade that I just missed. Then we got this retracement, down for 6. Then very aggravating move to the upside on a falling 50 and yellow modified 15. Retracement market was already way overbought. Could not get this big move. And that was it on the 8 range Russell. Then we had 2 stellar trades on 13 range crude. I did not take as I did not see. I'm watching a lot of markets. There was a move down, a retracement, down for 8 ticks. First target is threw off at 7. Great move. Second retracement and down for 45 ticks. I just missed these trades. So we had lots and lots of opportunities for a much better equity amount than we did today. Let's take a look at 13 range Russell. Now 13 range Russell, we caught some nice ones. Now here was a break and a retracement. But the 15 had not crossed the 50, so it was an aggressive trade. And we got stopped out at minus 10. But then now we came in with a conservative trade. We went 24 ticks. Now the trade actually went 26, but I took it out at plus 24. So we had a 24 tick runner. Then we went down again, retraced, and this time this trade went 25. I took the runner out at plus 15. So we had two really, really nice trades. This is a $400+ trade. This is also a very lucrative 13 range trade. So we didn't let the 13 range charts completely pacify us. We were able to get some great trades off the 13 range. So for the day, again, I feel like we could have done much better. One trade I tried to get on a locked Superdome. It cost me 2 targets. But we had 6 trades, 4 winners and 2 losers. On Russell 8 range, we had plus 6 and minus 10. Russell 13 range, plus 24, plus 15, plus minus 10. Crude 8 range, plus 8. Net ticks, plus 33. Net equity was $250 on very conservative management of the runners. Auto Trader today had 1 trade, 1 winner, plus 6 ticks on the Russell for net equity $120 today. The weekly results today in the room, we had 19 trades, 14 winners, 5 losers. Net equity was $1,130 based on our very, very transparent and accurate ATM strategy. Weekly results on the Auto Trader only had 4 trades, 3 winners and a loser, and made $160. So we had a great week, despite the fact that yesterday I missed a gimme crude trade because we also had a disconnection of our right line entry system. And today, just because I locked it myself, there was not a technical issue, it was a market issue, trading it. Now, starting Monday, we are going to add the 3 range ES. It's extremely liquid. Now, it doesn't give us many setups, but when you get them, they are very good. And the predictive value of these trades is incredibly good. Today, we had the move down, the retracement, entry 1 tick below. This was a 6 tick move, a 1.5. Nothing here to trade. Absolutely nothing. Here it is again. This is a little bit of an aggressive move. Actually, it's not. There. Come back. Now this would have given us a half a point. That's our first target. It would be clear whether or not we would have gotten filled or not. But our stop would be to break even. So when it came back, we would either be filled or we'd be out of the trade, but definitely not a loss. And then we had this break, retracement, and move up for 1 3/4 points, 1.75 ticks, 7 ticks. Those were the 3 trades. 1 for 2 points, 1 for 1.75 points, and possibly a third winner, but at the very least a break even. So we don't get many setups on the Russell, on the ES, but with that tremendous liquidity, we really have a tremendous advantage in getting our buy stop limit and sell stop limit orders executed. Now we're going to send out a little bit of a special offer. If you buy 2 months of the direct entry system plus the trading room, we're going to give you a 3rd month for free, And we're also going to include in that our Forex trading room. So you will get the direct entry system, and you will also get our futures trading room and our Forex trading room. And if you pay for 2 months, we're going to give you a third month free of charge. So it comes to $798 for the 2 months. You get a third month for nothing. So I hope everybody has a great weekend. Just let me give you our contact information. To sign up for a free trial to our live trading room, go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you'll find a link to our daily net equity in the trading room, a link to our daily net equity with the auto trader, and a link to sign up for our free trial. You can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com. Call us anytime at 1-855-765-6681. Wish we capitalized at every entry we had today. That 250 would have skyrocketed, to $800 or $900. But we caught what we caught. Not much more we can say. I mean, this is, to day traders, the what ifs don't matter. It's only what you got. That's why the people who sell software that show you the retrospective calls and the potential entries, it's all nonsense. It's what you do in the live trading room, trading the software that you proffer to others for money, that you show that you can trade profitably in a transparent way. That's the only thing that matters. So listen, everyone, have a wonderful weekend, and I hope to see everybody in the trading room on Monday. Take care.